In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to link ByBit on TradingView. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to tradingview.com. You also need to have either ByBit on your Windows computer or your smartphone device opened. From here, it should bring something like this. Here you'll need to go up and sign into your account and go up to products up here. Once you're inside of the products, you'll see this page right here where you'll need to go down to connect through our trusted brokers, and then you'll need to select ByBit down here. You can also click here on the star to add to favorites. Once you click on that, you'll need to go down to this called Don't Remember Me and click Connect. Once you do that, a new page will pop up where you'll go into ByBit right here, and from here you can log in using your email, mobile phone number, or a QR code if you have the app. You can also log in using your Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account if you want to do that. Once you do that, you'll get a big screen asking you whether or not you want to connect to TradingView, and you'll just need to click accept. Once you've done that, you'll need to go back to TradingView and you'll see that ByBit has been connected successfully. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!